Hi friends, welcome to our Global Commerce. You need to know our latest updates. Please subscribe our channel. If you like our content, please share it, like it and comment on it. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of principles of cost accounting. In that first topic is cost accounting or cost ascertainment. Number 2 control of cost. Number 3 reduction of cost. Number 4 fixation of selling price, and final one is providing information for forming business policy. First one is cost finding or cost ascertainment. It is the process of collection, classification and analysis of cost or expenses. This means process of determining the cost of operations, processes, cost centers and cost units within an organization. This means we need to calculate or we need to check out the cost units also. In along with the cost, definitely we need to calculate the units also. How much per unit has been consumed of the production or consumed of the materials, we need to calculate with including the number of units purchased. One is cost reduction. Cost reduction is the achievement of real and permanent reduction in the units of cost of goods manufactured or services rendered without impairing the suitability for the use intended. Cost reduction mainly used by the companies to reduce their costs and to increase their profits. It has been depended upon the company's services or product, but the strategies can vary. In that situation, we need to balance with the cost as well as we need to increase their profits. In all the products we can't able to reduce the cost. In similar products or in the certain products we need to keep as a constant price as well as we need to keep as a higher rate. Definitely, to reduce the cost is not applicable in all the situations. If it has been occur means then the company will definitely face an heavy loss. Fourth one is fixation of selling price. It provides the information in the terms of fixed cost and variable cost so that the extent of price reduction to be done in the case of intensive components. Selling price of the product must cover the total cost plus a certain margin of profit. Why this happened means while fixing the rate for the product means we need to include with the margin profit and total cost. We should add it with the manufacturing cost, labor cost, transportation cost. These are all the main factors to be included in the selling price. Without these things, we should not fix an selling price rate because this is an one method to gain and profit under the company's production. Last one is framing business policy. It frames the break-even analysis, cost volume profit relationships, differential costing, etc. or helpful to the management in taking various decisions. Which level the business policy has been framed means by taking the subordinates in an organization. It permits the lower level management to deal with the problems and issues without consulting to the top level management every time for the decisions. That is, whatever the problems or issues which has been occurred under the company, we should not go and report to the top level management at the every time. We need to report to the lower level management also, because they also have an rights to take any decisions which has been occurred in the company. So they can also face certain problems, or they can also handle the risk which has been under the company's policy. There are certain levels of policies under the business, that is identification, the situation, problem definition, policy recommendation like policy proposal, development of policy, dissemination the policy, explanation of the policy, acceptance of the policy implementation, policy review, etc. Like this, there are n number of policies has been placed under the company. Under these policies only, the production or manufacturing has to be made within the company by taking an legal business policy. Every time the top level management will not take a decision under their staffs, their employees, assistant managers like assistant employees, etc. They can also take a certain decision to develop their business of the company. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our content, please share it, like it, and comment on it. You need to know our latest updates. Please subscribe our channel.